this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this.
Hi friends, welcome back to this channel himworld. তো আজি মোৰ S390 খন RC390 খনৰ গোটে হোল বডি ৰেপিং কৰিম বেলেগ এটা গ্ৰাফিক্স যেটো Venom কিট হয় Venom এডিশনৰ KTM RC Venom এডিশনৰ তো এই গ্ৰাফিক্সটো ফুললি ইয়াত লোড কৰা হ'ব ইনষ্টল কৰা হ'ব আৰু কালি ইয়াৰ গোটে অৰিজিনাল গ্ৰাফিক্সটো মই এৰুৱাই দিলো এতিয়া মই গৈ আছো ইয়াৰ গ্ৰাফিক্সখন ফিটিং কৰিবলৈ গোটে গ্ৰাফিক্স হোল বডি গ্ৰাফিক্স ফিটিং কৰিবলৈ আৰু আপোনাৰ এতিয়া মই বাইকখন অকমান লেতেৰা হৈ আছে এখন ৰেম্পত ধুনিয়াকৈ ধুৱাই মেলি আমি গৈ আছো ৰেপিং চেণ্টাৰলৈ তাত ৰেপিং কৰিম মোৰ দাদা এজন আছে তাতে ৰেপিং কৰে তেওঁ আৰু তেওঁৰ লগতে মই অকমান লাগি ভাগি দিম তো বাইকখন হোল গ্ৰাফিক্সটো এৰুৱাই দিয়া হ'ল দুইটা সাইড সব সাইড এৰুৱাই দিয়া হ'ল এটো হৈ গ'ল তো এতিয়া মই গৈ আছো ৰেম্পত বাইকখন ধুৱাম আৰু ধুৱাই মেলি আপোনালোকক দেখাই আছো ভিডিওটো কিপ ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও তো বাইকখন ফুল ৰেম্পত ধুৱাই একদম নিট এণ্ড ক্লিন কৰা হৈ গ'ল তাৰপিছত আমি এতিয়া গৈ আছোঁ ৰেপিং চেণ্টাৰ দাদাজনৰ দোকানলৈ তো তাত ফুল ৰেপিং কৰি আছোঁ তো আপোনালোকক দেখাই আছোঁ ভিডিঅ'টো
possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the.
এতিয়া দাদাজনৰ দোকান পালোহি আৰু এতিয়া আমি বাইকৰ ৰেপিংখিনি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিম ৰেপিং কৰিবলৈ তো ভিডিঅ'টো চাই থাকক
You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts. I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack.
Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it. I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it. Show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and
তো এতিয়া গোটেই গ্ৰাফিক্সখিনি বাইকখনত এপ্লাই কৰি হৈ গ'ল গোটেইখিনি গ্ৰাফিক্স টু জেড ফিটিং কৰা হৈ গ'ল আৰু অন্ততঃ আমাৰ 3-4 আৱাৰ্ছমান লাগিল গোটেইখিনি এপ্লাই কৰোঁতে লাহে লাহে তো ভিডিঅ'টো কেনেকুৱা পালে জনাব এণ্ড বাইকখন দেখিবলৈ কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেণ্টত জনাব তো থেংক ইউ এণ্ড কিপ ৱাচিং
I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't